Not all the precious metals on earth can compare to your tender sweet kiss. Nothing can compare to a moment in time spent with your hand in mine. Only God can compete with you, my love, for your affections are far sweeter than any other man on earth. You inspire within my breast tenderness, forgiveness, love, and mercy. How can one man do such things? It is as if the Lord Almighty chose the perfect partner for me, handed me his precious child, and said, "See, this is how much I love you." You are as wise as time occasionally, yet as childish as a toddler when it suits thee. As the good book says in Psalms 68 verse 13, "Yet ye shall be as the wings of a dove covered with silver and her feathers with yellow gold."